What's up? This is Travis from Flavor Bomb Rubs and Spices, and today we're going to be making Moink Balls. Alright, so this is an appetizer staple. Anytime you're having guests over, this is going to be an amazing recipe to make. All you need is some frozen meatballs that we've thawed, and then we're going to need center cut bacon that we're going to cut into thirds. All we're going to do is wrap each meatball with a piece of bacon, put it on the smoker, and let them go. As soon as the bacon's crisp, the meatballs are already cooked, we'll be good to go. Alright, so all we've done is we're just taking our meatballs here. These are completely thawed. You take your meatball and a third of a piece of bacon. You simply wrap it around. Take yourself a toothpick. Go through the bacon, through the meatball, through the other side, and now you've got a moink ball. Called a moink because you got your beef meatballs here and your pig. Moo and oink, moink. Show you that one more time. Take a meatball, third of a piece of bacon, stick a toothpick through just like that. Continue it on until you're out of meatballs or out of bacon, and we'll be right back with you. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take Flavor Bomb Rubs and Spices Moab rub. This is our sweet heat rub, also our signature rub, and all you're going to do is open it up, and we're going to sprinkle liberally across each one. Alright, once we get done sprinkling these sides, we'll flip them over and do the back sides. Then we'll put them onto a rack to make them easier for transport. We'll put them on a grill at 350 degrees, and we're just going to cook these till the bacon's crispy. Alright, so today we're going to be using the Vision grills today. We are going to cook indirect, so we want to set up our plate setter here. We're going to bring this thing up to 350 degrees and cook it slow. Remember, you've got bacon and you've got fire. Potential for grease fires are there. Take every precaution you can. Today I'm going to be using delectable lump charcoal. This is my go-to for everything that I cook. It burns hot, there's low ash, and stuff's amazing. It'll hold temperature for hours. So, plus on top of that, if anybody's ever bought a bag of charcoal, they got a zip top. Oh, just amazing. All right, our grill's come up to temperature now, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to do, especially with our Kamados, is that we're going to burp it so we don't scar our hands here. Man, that jealous devil ashed over perfectly. So all we're going to do, we're going to add a piece of wood in here for a little bit of flavor. And we're going to put our plate setter in. Like we said, we got an open flame and we've got bacon, so we want to make it as safe as possible. You can cook this on any kind of grill, as long as you can cook indirect. You can even cook these in the oven if you don't have a grill or don't want to mess with it. Alright, let me get our rack on here. Alright, so once we get our rack on there, we're just going to take our little cooling rack here full of our Moink Balls. Put them on the smoker, close them up, and we'll check on them here in about 15 minutes. Alright, so once the bacon is crisp on these Moink Balls here, at the very end we're going to dunk them in sauce. You can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you want. However, I do have a recommendation. My buddy Paul from San Lorenzo, California, Wilbur's barbecue sauce. This stuff is amazing. I guarantee this is going to win me a competition once we get back to competing here, once COVID's over. Alright, it's been 25 to 30 minutes. Bacon's now crisp, and it's time to get these Moink Balls off and get them dunked. Alright, so these things are done. Take a look at this beautiful, beautiful crisp bacon, nice, moist, juicy meatball. And all we're going to do is we're going to take it and dip it into our sauce. And let it run off. And right onto our board. All right, that's it. We have Moink Balls. Simple as that. Easy appetizer to make. Definitely a crowd pleaser, and you could definitely feed a lot of family for real cheap. From all of us here at Flavor Bomb Rubs and Spices, just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you to Paul for sending us this sauce. This stuff is amazing. If you want to check him out, he's on Facebook. We'll post a link to his page below. If you'd like to pick up your very own Moab or some of our other lines of rubs, head over to fbbbq.com. Thank you so much for watching.